Hi everyone, welcome to English with Miss Kaur. Today's video is going to be about family vocabulary. Let's see if you can guess the answer before I show it to you. Here we go. Are you ready? Mother, father. Parents, brother, sister, siblings, husband, wife, spouses, daughter, son, children, family alive before you, ancestors, family alive after you, descendants. How many did you get right? Do let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching English with Miss Kaur. Till next time, remember to subscribe for more videos.